Chief Minister N. Biren remembered late SDPO of More Chingtham Anandakumar. Speaking in the closing ceremony of first state-level SDPO Chingtham Anandakumar Memorial 9A Side Veteran Football Tournament 2024, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that the supreme sacrifice of Anandakumar to safeguard territorial integrity of Manipur will be remembered forever by people of Manipur. Champ FC Impal West emerged as the champion of first state-level SDPO Chingtham Anandakumar Memorial 9A Side Veteran Football Tournament 2024. In the final match that was played today, Champ FC defeated Manipur Police Sports Club by a solitary goal to clinch the title, as David scored the only goal in the final match in 39th minute to give Champ FC the win. Rajen Khanganba of MPSC was adjudged the best player of the tournament.
Yamna crucial oiba, yamna pudong tiningai oiba, pangkak oiragasu masala ithokdana maleba ki damuktani jati ji ki damuktani na Myanmar ki border More duda hosting tadar leba aginawanan ma maphamduda dum Patraba terrorist singi attack marak to the Khanga Galiki, Badumba, Yamathonapaba, Leba Kidamka Katokraba, Martyr Samani Hybada, Laloy, Mi Pataba, Narco, Trucks, Kitova Lalonba, terrorist singuna, Lumaga, cold blooded, the Mabahapi Kibini, Adu Sakarna, Sapsaba Madugi, Mabahatki Madugi Torkanda, Hazalaga, bombing operation, Singma Torkanda, Sapsana Moko, Adu the Channel, Fakiva Mayam, the Subigre, Adu Madi, a shame Mamaleva, the Makata Kokrabadumba, Martyr Sama Hybidi, Lamzing Bama Hybuene, Mana Morigi, area, the Ekoi Manipurgia, Puma Sakta, Mamadi boundary, Raja Singan, and the Mohana Ramadu, Ayeng, New Vizati, Manipur, living in Mabu, Sinagale, Organi.